the multiplication and division of the integers, sorry, fractions. Integers, already we have completed, madam, that integers. Yes, it's over. Now the next one, multiplication and division of fractions. So in a multiplication, we are taking very interestingly that, okay, first one, in first way, the first way of questions, how it is, one of the fraction by another fraction, 4 by 7. Then second method, one of the whole number by a fraction. Yes, second type, whole number by fraction. Then third type, mixed fraction by mixed fraction or fraction by fraction also this is. Yes, are you sleeping good? Okay. So let it be these two. We will take later the first one, a fraction by fraction. First we have to keep the fractions which are in a simplest form or not. You have to check it. Simplest form is there is no common factor in between numerator as well as the denominator. Is there any common factor in between 2 and 3 here? No means. 4 and 7 here? No means. Then after observing these two, then just cross check out. Is there any common factor in a cross direction? In a cross direction means its numerator and its denominator, its numerator and its denominator. Is there any common factor? Even though now also there is no common factor means we have to directly multiply the numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Yes? Tali multiply, kal multiply and keep the product. Yes or no? Okay. 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 7. 2 4s are 8. 3 7s are 21. This is the product of two fractions. So easy. One more. Take here 5 by 7 into 14 divided by 10 into, or else you can take here 14 divided by 15. Yes, dear students, first you have to check out, is there any common factor in between 5 and 7? No. 14 and 15? No. Then what's our next step? Observe the common factor in a cross way. Yes, here also 7, here also 14 means both 7 and 14 have one of the factor as a common. What it is? 7. Yes. Then here also same. In this way cross, 5 and 15 have one of the common factor, that is 5. So which is the common factor? By using that you have to cancel both the numbers, you have to divide both the numbers, means here 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, we can cancel. Yes, clear? Then here 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, we can cancel. Now our fraction remain here 1 by 1 and here what is remain? 2 by 3. Now we will keep the answer as what? What? 1 by 1 into 2 by 3 as 1 into 2 into 1 into 3. 2 by 3 is your answer. Clear? Okay, take another one. 18 by 22 into 33 by 36. Yes. Means here also there is a common factor. Here also there is a common factor. You can remove that common factor means you have to divide each of the number by common factor. Yes. 2 9 ja, 2 11 ja. Then here 3 11 ja, 3 12 ja. Yes. So what is the fraction remaining here? 9 by 11 into 11 divided by 12. Again next step what? Is there any common factor in a cross direction? Yes. Again there is a common factor in a cross direction. 11 1 ja, 11 1 ja. Again here also, yes. divided by 1 into 4, we will get 3 divided by 4. The fraction is what? 3 divided by 4. Yes, dear student, please, it is complicated. No, not complicated. You can solve this one in another way or method, easy way. How? Just observe here. 18 divided by 22, 33 divided by 36. How means? Yes, here also there is a common factor, here also common factor. But we have to go through a smart work, not like this way, hard work. Smart work means, is there any common factor? Yes. Is there any common factor? Yes. 18 1 ja, 18 2 ja 36, 11 2 ja 11, 3 ja 3 into 1 3, 2 into 2 4, 3 by 4, easily we will get answer. But in the initial stage, we have to follow this step. Why? Because it is the first time you are learning this concept. In the class 6th, you did not get it. Multiplication. It is there. In class 6th also it was there. Multiplication. Only addition and subtraction. In the 5th standard you have studied. Okay. Yes, dear student, please write it. Please write it. Yes? Okay. Shall I go to another example? Out of 90, only 38 are there here. Remaining, they are having the food. Are they having food? Yes, miss. Okay. Let them to enjoy. Please come here. Who are they? Yes? Okay. Again, some other examples. Please take here. Yes, take now. Yes. One more. Do it fast. 9 by 27 into 28 by 7. Yes. 9 and 27 in the same table. 28 and 7 also in the same table. So in which table? Means what are the common factors? Please think of. Solve this one. Next one. 3 integer 1 by 2 into 4 integer 3 divided by 2. Multiply these two. Mix it by mix. Or else you may get the question like a proper fraction by mixed fraction also. Nothing to worry. Yes? May. So may. Yes, I am giving slowly, okay? So take this and solve fast and show me your answer one by one fast. Ready? So here next one whole number by one of the fraction. Very easiest question it is. 7th one. Within the 10 seconds you can write directly the answer. Okay. Anushka P, Nishan, on your video everyone and show me your answer. Yes, please, on your video. Everyone on your video. Please show me how many of you have completed. Moksha, Arya, Sahana, Cheshri, Sumit, Soham Kunde, Kushi, Nagapradnya on your video. Bhuvan Gujanawar, Bhuvan on your video, sir. Sanchita, Apeksha, Namita Naik, Anvika, Adarsh, Neelambika, Tanu Koppar, Sahana SK. Okay, good. One of the girls, Shraddha Varnekar. Shraddha, please hold your book properly. Yes, madam. First one, what's your answer? 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja. So, 4 by 3 is the answer. Exactly correct, madam. Fourth one, correct. The next one, 2 3 ja, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 4 2 ja, 8 plus 3, 11 by 2. 7 11 ja, 77. Divided by 2 into 2, 4. Very good, girl. Please do 6th and 7th one. Shraddha, your answers are exactly correct. Very good, girl. Shraddha, 6th and 7th. Please solve the 6th and 7th. Yes? Okay. Again, anybody ready like us, Shraddha? Should be a good girls as well as boys. Show me your answer. Arya? Arya on your video, sir? Yes, good. Again. Who is this one? 11 by 10. All you have completed. 4 by 3. 1 by 2. 2 5 is 10. 11 by 5. 11 divided by 10. Yes, correct. Then it is 4 by 3. Yes, correct. Then madam, still you have to solve 2. Who is this one? Sahana. Sahana remaining 2. Yes, 4 by 3 correct. The next one. Moksha, only 1 you have solved. 5th, 6th, 7th. I am not getting your answer. 5th, 6th, 7th. Solve those 2. Next. Next, anybody? Next again. Arya. Arya on your video. Yes, Jayashree. Jayashree. Yes, again. How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready? Soham Kunde, Kushi, Nagapradnya. Please do it fast, madam. Then, who is this one? Bhuvan. Bhuvan Gujanava, 77 by 4 correct. 4 by 3 correct. 11 by 10 correct. Last one, Bhuvan. 7th one. Bhuvan, good boy. You have done 3 correct. Please, sir, last one. Bhuvan Gujanava, last one, sir. 7th one. Yes, okay, solve that also. Yes, dear student. Last one. Very good. Correct. Yes, dear student. Check here. Here also there is a common factor. In between these two also there is a common factor. Divided numbers with common factor. 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja. Remaining what? 4 into 1. 4, 3 into 1, 3, 4 by 3. Next here, first you have to convert this fraction into improper. Improper, how to convert? Already you know. 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, into 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 2. Is there any common factor here? No. But, please don't cancel call by call. Not possible in the fraction. Miss, here also 2. Here also 2. Cancel. Your call also cancel. Denominator call. Numerator head. You cannot cancel head by head. As well as call by call. Clear? Head by head also not possible. Leg by leg also not possible. Only head to the leg. Clear? Okay. It's not possible. So 7 into 11 divided by 2 into 2. 7 11 ja, 77. 2 2 ja, 4. Next one. Already it is a proper fraction. Keep as it is. Next one mixed. So convert it into improper. 5 2 are 10. 10 plus 1. 11 divided by 5. There is no common factor everywhere. Okay. Just 1 into 11 divided by 2 into 5. Your answer is 11 1 ja 11. 2 5 are 10. So last one means how we have to do. You can write 3 by 1 is also one of the fraction. 1 by 2, 8 also one of the fraction. 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja. Can cancel or keep as it is, no issue. So 3 into 1, 1 into 8. Your answer is what? 3 by 8 means if you are multiplying one of the whole number by one of the fraction, directly that whole number you have to multiply by numerator and keep the denominator as it is. Clear? Okay. Shall I give again some more examples here? Ready? Now I will give exactly 1 minute for one problem. More than that I will not give. Ready? Okay. Solve this one now. Miss, you can give more than 2 fractions at a time. Yes, I am ready to give that. Clear? More than 2 fractions. Are you ready? Yes, take here. 8 1, 3 by 7, 2 there is a common factor, you have to cancel. Means you have to show me one, then we will do. Yes, ready. First one shall I show? First you have to observe any common factor. No. Any common factor? Yes. I will cancel that first. Okay. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. Again any common factor? Yes. In which table? In which table? 7 table. 7 4 ja, 7 3 ja. Now we can write these all. 3 by 7, 1 by 7, 4 divided by 3. Yes. Any common factor? No. Any common factor? No. Now, any common factor? Yes. In this corner, one of the boy is jumping to get cancelled. Shall we cancel him? Yes. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. Remaining what here? Remaining what? 1 by 7. Remaining what here? 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 into 4 by 1. Now 1 into 1 into 4, 7 into 7 into 1, 1 1 ja, 1 1 4 ja, 4 7 7 ja, 49 1 ja. This is our answer. You see? Shall I give now? Okay, good. All of you ready? Shall I give 3 fractions at a time? Yes, ready. Take now 2 integer 1 by 7 means again you change. Just I have changed as a mixed fraction. Yes. Into 2 by 15 into 21 by 4. Yes, please do it fast. First our job is to convert this mixed fraction into improper. Yes, how many of you have done? Please give me answer. Show me fast. Yes, how many of you have completed? Please show me. Arya Rajendra, sir, please on your video or else directly I will delete your name here. Sahana, Jayashree, everyone. Soham, Khushi, Nagapradnya, show me your answer, madam. Okay, good. Bhuvan Gujanawat. Bhuvan, you can cancel again. Both 6 and 4 have one of the common factor, that is 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are you can cancel. Again, Sanchita, very good girl. 3 by 2 is the correct answer. Apeksha Sonad, Namita, Anvika, Adarsh Desai. Where are you all? Show me your answer. Anvika, Adarsh Desai, Neelambika, Tanu Kapat, Sahana SK, Sharvin, Pratik, Pratham, Srishti, Gauri, Ash, Shraddha Varnekar, madam. Swasti, Sahana, okay, good. Indira, madam, you can cancel again. 7 6 42, 7 4 28. Again it becomes a 6 by 4. Again you can get cancelled. How? 2 3s are 2 2s are. Your final answer is 3 by 2. Keep in a simplest form. Or 14 3s are 42, 14 2s are 28. You can keep. Yes, 3 by 2 is the correct answer here. Yes, first we have to convert this fraction into what? Improper. 7 2s are 41, 15 by 7, 2 by 15, 21 by 4. Yes, 15 get cancelled. Then here 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 the remaining part here. 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 3 by 2 means your final answer is what? 3 divided by 2. Yes? Okay. Now, shall we go to our division? Ready? So before going to division, we have to take today's homework on multiplication. Are you ready to take the homework? Yes, dear student. Right here, the homework. So what it is? Find the product of. Find the product of. So first one, t by 5, 2 integer 1 by 15. Second one, 6 into 3 integer 3 by 2. Then third one, 1 by 2 into 7 by 15 into 30 divided by 40. Next one, 3 integer 1 by 7, 2 integer 2 by 11 into 1 divided by 12. Next one, how many one? How many? Please take first. So in your textbook, how he has given 3 by 5 of 2 by 10. Here, what is the meaning of multiplication? If anywhere you are getting a of, it is nothing but multiplication. Clear? Suppose if you are getting 3 by 5 by 2 by 10 by what comes? It is nothing but division. Here of means what? Multiplication. 3 by 5 of 2 by 10. So what is the meaning of this one? Of means what here? Of means what here? Multiplication. Okay, take your next one. 1 by 7 of first one, 3 by 8. Second one, 2 by 9. What is the meaning of this one? See here, first one what you have to do? 1 by 7 into 3 by 8. And second one what you have to do? 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. Of means what? Multiplication. Clear? Yes, enough? 6 questions enough? Okay. Next we will go to the division of fractions. Next we are going to the division of the fraction. Yes, all of you written this. All of you have written this homework. Yes, shall we go to division? Ready? All of you ready? Okay. Now you have to take it. The division. Over. Take fast. It's okay. Division of a fraction by another fraction, or division of a fraction by whole number, and whole number by fraction, and fraction by fraction. So here also there are three types of problems. Yes, 3 types of problems are there. First type, division of whole number by fraction by fraction. Okay. Yes, third type, fraction by fraction. Just one of the example here. 2 by 5 divided by 4 by 10. Means how to do it? Very easy. If you understand only one concept, that is a one step. While dividing the one of the fraction by another fraction, we have to keep the first fraction as it is. What is the meaning of this statement here? 2 by 5 divided by 4 by 10. It is nothing but 2 divided by 5 whole divided by 4 by 10. Means how to simplify? Yes, for that purpose, we will take it as a reciprocal. Reciprocal means ulta. Ulta means your numerator value becomes in the denominator. Denominator becomes in the numerator. Means what is the reciprocal of 1 by 7? 7 is the reciprocal of 1 by 7 or 7 by 1. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 10 by 15? 15 divided by 10 is the reciprocal. It's ulta. Means numerator value in the denominator, denominator value in the numerator. Clear? So now keep the first fraction as it is here. In this condition, how to do? Keep this first fraction as it is. Multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. In place of this division sign, just we have to change the multiplication sign. Then reciprocal of this second fraction. What it is? 10 by 4. Clear? Just one step we have done. We kept the first fraction as it is. Multiplication with ulta of the second fraction. Means reciprocal of the second fraction. Now you can simplify. If there is any common factor like a multiplication of fraction, same way we have to continue our procedure. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, again 2 1 ja, 2. Your answer is very interesting. So 2 by 5 whole divided by 4 by 10. One more. Yes, second one, fraction by fraction. 3 by 8 divided by 27 by 60. Yes, what's our first step? Keep the first fraction 3 by 8 as it is. Multiplication with the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal of second fraction. Any common factor? Yes, 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 2 into 1, 2, 9 into 1, 9. So the answer 2 by 9. Yes. One more. 9 by 21 whole divided by 3 by 7. Or else you can take 3 divided by 7. Okay. 9 by 21 whole divided by 3 by 7. Okay. Keep the first fraction as it is into reciprocal of the second one. Yes. Okay, it is a third problem, not a fourth one. Okay. Now, any common factor? Yes. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Now the fraction 3 by 3 into 1 by 1. 3 3 get cancelled. The answer is what? 1 itself. Yes. So the division of fraction is also easiest concept. Yes, dear student. Okay, it is a fraction by fraction. Shall I give one more example here? All of you ready to solve? Let's take now one more fraction by fraction. Yes, take here Another one, fraction divided by fraction. Yes, fourth one, 13 divided by 15 whole divided by 39 by 30. 13 by 15. So keep the first fraction as it is. Multiplication with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Any common factor? Yes. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, 13 1 ja, 13 3 ja. So the answer, what it is? 2 by. Another one. Take here. 9 by 45 divided by 3 divided by 5. Very easiest question. Answer is 1. So keep the first fraction as it is. Reciprocal of the second fraction. 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja, 9 9. So the answer 1 by 3. So I told you what is the answer? 1 by 3. So shall we go to the whole number by fraction or fraction by whole number? Anyone? So we will take whole number by fraction. How we have to divide one of the whole number by fraction? Shall I rub these two? Okay. Yes, shall I rub these two? Whole number by fraction. Next one, fraction by whole number. Remaining two ways. Yes, take here. First one, whole by fraction. Whole number by fraction. 2 divided by 1 by 4. Please how to solve? Yes, so easy. Any number always or every number always it is divisible by 1. There is a one of the fraction, another fraction. So easiest question. So in this way what we are doing? Keep the first fraction as it is into reciprocal of the second fraction. Now no common factor. 2 4s are 8 by 1. We can write it as just 8 itself. Okay. Next one. Whole number 8 divided by 2 by 9. Nothing means what here? It is divided by 1. 8 by 1 keep as it is. Reciprocal of the second one. Now any common factor? 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So 9 4 ja what? 36 by 1 is again 36 itself. Next one. Whole number 9 divided by 16 by 24. So you can consider it as a 9 by 1. Keep the first fraction as it is. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Any common factor in these two? Yes, 4 is a common factor in between 16 and 24. 4 4s are 4, 6 are. Even though now also there is no common factor here. Means 9 by 1 into 6 by 4. 9 6 are 54 divided by 4 is the answer. Some of the extraordinary persons are there in our class. What they will do? Means we got 54 by 4. So what I will do? 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja. So the answer is 5. Will you do like this way? Please, will you do like this way? No. Please, even though in a sleepy mood also we are not breaking the rules of mathematics, so we will not do this way. Yes, very good. Yes? So please, don't do like that. 4 4 cancel. Remaining answer 5. It's not a rule in a mathematics. Okay. Next one. Fraction by whole number. That also same way. Fraction keep the first fraction as it is. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay. Fraction by whole number. So take the next type of question, that is number. So now I will take 2 by 5 divided by 3. Here there is a 3 means always it is divisible by 1. Keep the first fraction 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 1, one fraction by another fraction. 2 by 5 keep as it is, reciprocal of with a multiplication, the second fraction. Is there any common factor? No. 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15. So easiest question. Yes? Shall I give one more? Here also 3 types of question. Fraction by fraction, whole by fraction, then fraction by whole number. 2 by 29, it's divided by 40. Or else wait, it's divided by 8. Over? Is it over? Okay, nothing means here divisible by 1. 2 by 29 into 1 by 8. 2 1s are 2, 4s are. So 1 divided by 29 into 4. 4 9s are 36, 4 2s are 8, 11, 160. Easy questions. Okay dear student. Now it is the time to give you a homework. Shall I give the homework based on division of fraction? All of you ready? Yes, okay, take now the problems which are division of fraction as a homework. Okay, find or divide or solve these. You can take the heading, simplify or solve these. So what is the first question here? What is the first question here? Yes, take now. First one, 9 by 20 divided by 25 by 18. Second, 3 by 3 by 11 divided by 39 by 13. Next, third one, 56 divided by 54, whole divided by 8 by 9. Next, fourth one, 8 divided by 1 by 7. Next, fifth one, 6 divided by 19, whole divided by 114 divided by 36. Next one, sixth one, or else you can just, okay, 114 by 36. No issue. Calculate. 114 multiplied by 19. Okay. 28 divided by 64, whole divided by 56 by 30. Next, 3 by 7 divided by 14. Next one, 2 integer 1 by 7 divided by 3 integer 1 by 7. So solve these 8 plus that 6, 14 questions I have given. And today's session we have to conclude here. In the next session we have to take the exercise problems based on this multiplication and division of the fractions. Okay dear student, all of you take care.